Time for business. Kenya's capital markets have recorded a milestone with the listing of 44.9 billion shillings infrastructure-backed security at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. The transaction led by Linzi Finco is being hailed as a major leap in mobilizing private capital for public infrastructure projects. The funds will go towards the construction of the Talanta Sports City stadium, which is set to be completed in time for the Africa Cup of Nations Championships in 2027, co-hosted by Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania. Here's Jasmine Wamboi with the details of that story.
Is this trading that's going on at the moment?
Linzi Finco has successfully listed the Linzi 003 infrastructure asset-backed security, one of the largest deals of its kind in Kenya's history. This demonstrating a growing appetite for sophisticated financial instruments in the local market.
Now, this is going to be trading for some time because it's not been done in East Africa. The last time this was done, Your Excellency, was the Gauteng train project in South Africa. So as a country, we are very, very proud that we've been able to pull this together.
The listing, marked by a ceremonial bell ringing at the NSE, signals growing investor confidence in structured finance as a tool for infrastructure development.
And Your Excellency, I want to announce also that we have had an equity listing last week. We have an equity listing again tomorrow, and the market has traded the highest value of bonds in recent history.
The strong recovery of the NSE, with market capitalization now standing at 2.5 trillion, reflects the soundness and consistency of our economic policies. Some of the choices we have made have not been easy, and at times not popular. But they have been necessary, they have been strategic and forward-looking. These decisions have helped us stabilize the economy, restore investor confidence, and lay a firm foundation for growth into the future.
The security pools future cash flows from infrastructure assets and repackages them into tradable instruments, allowing institutional and retail investors to participate in long-term infrastructure financing. This approach also helps reduce reliance on traditional public funding at a time when government is cash-strapped.
Your Excellency, the government which you lead is increasingly turning to innovative financing mechanisms to fund large-scale infrastructure and public service projects. Some of the structures that we have earmarked for the deployment of private sector participation in public financing include asset-backed financing, otherwise known as securitization of public assets. 2 is privatization, and 3 is public-private partnerships, among others.
Market players see the listing as a sign of maturity in Kenya's financial markets.
Our goal is clear: to onboard 9 million active retail investors by the year 2029 through strategic interventions that address market access, financial literacy, and generally improving the overall economy.
Jasmine Wamboi, Citizen TV.
Electric mobility company Basigo has launched a pilot program